thank y'all for letting me into y'all backyard, party with me tonight. New York to VA and back. That's how we do, man. Listen up. Listen up. From the city that don't sleep, the rotten apple, home of crooked cops where police harass you. Thugs been hustling corners and hardly sleep. We grinding the block hard cause we got family to feed. Working 9 to 5 and living check by check, making a little more than the next man can. Working 9 to 5 but some is parole felons. Come home not used to the way that the world is turning. I seen them in diapers, my little homies came up. Now stick you up, masked up like Jason. So much changed since 95. Ain't arguing who the best Pac and Big was alive. But times changed my mind frame, I guess I grew up. I'm like Georgie and Weezy trying to move on up. I want better living conditions, get out the hood. Your own friends hate when they see you doing good. Trying to provoke me, I got too much at stake. Trying to ignore this plan when he up in my face. Thinking about my daughter needing a father figure. Most girls grow up with that one fuck any nigga. But if my back is against the wall, I'ma leave that sucker in the hospital. I'm ready to bang, I'm ready to ball. I'm doing my thing, I'm still in my lane. Just think, I'm the hope of the hood. Hood hope we make it, they think that we could. I wanna live comfortable, no more struggling. No more pain, no more hustling. The hood's not where I should be raising my daughter. She gon' be a hood from the things that I taught her. Tired of grinding, hustling and working them corners. Tony flipped them ounces, pounds in a quarter. I blow snow for show in the middle of summer. And I stay with the toast cause my style is butter. The gorgeous gangster pimp who do it like this. I get a couple of meals, then I'm calling it quits. I was schooled by the gangsters, raised by the hustlers. Diamond mine, y'all really can't touch us. Roll with us, get dough with us. This is DMR, death to those opposing us. Roll with us, get dough with us. This is DMR, death to those opposing us. Roll with us, get dough with us. This is DMR, death to those opposing us. Roll with us, get dough with us. This is DMR, death to those opposing us.